Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a free shipping coupon on Shopify. The first thing you will need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you would go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on discounts. After selecting discounts from here, you're going to tap on create discount in the top right-hand corner. Then you can see free shipping. You would simply select free shipping. Then you can either choose to create a discount code here or you could tap on generate random code. After you have done that, you can select whether you like to offer free shipping to all countries or only selected countries. If you tap on selected countries from there, you could type in the selected countries that you would like to offer free shipping to. You can also see where you have shipping rates. You could exclude shipping rates over a certain amount if you want. And if you want to make this feature available only for persons that have spent a certain amount, you could tap on minimum purchase amount. And then from there, you could type in the amount. So let's say, for example, they would need to spend $25 before they'll be able to access free shipping. Then you could also tap on minimum quantity of items. So let's say, for example, you want them to purchase at least 2 items before getting free shipping. You could tap on minimum quantity of items instead. And do you want to offer this to all customers or only to specific customers? You can select it right there. And you can also limit the amount of time that they'll be able to use this. So do you want to limit it to 1 use per customer or limit the number of times this discount can be used in total? You can do that. You can also combine it with other discounts, as you can see right here. And if you'd like to offer this for a limited time, you could tap on set end date at the bottom of the page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now that it has been saved, all you would need to do, you could copy the discount code right here and you could share it with your customer, or you could tap on shareable link and you can share it with customers. What I would recommend you do is you go over to the left hand menu option once more and you're going to tap on apps and you're going to tap on app and sales channel, and then from there you would tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar, and from there you would simply type in pop-up. And the pop-up that I would recommend you use is Quickify. And the reason why I recommend that you install a pop-up is once someone, for example, tries to exit your store or so on, or you could set up the pop-up that it automatically appears when someone is shopping on your store, and then from there you could offer them the free discount coupon. So you could tap on install and you could install Quickify. Once you have installed the app, you will realize that this is a very good app to have on your Shopify store. For example, they offer numerous features. So let's say, for example, we were to tap on campaigns from the left-hand menu option. There are numerous campaigns that you can use. For example, they have the sales pop-up, and the sales pop-up is basically if I were to go onto view my store right here. So let me do that. You will see in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see some sales pop up right there. This is increased social proof and it will improve the chances of your store getting more sales, as this will increase your social proof, as you can see right there. And you can also use them to create pop-ups. You can use them to create visitor count and so on. But what we're going to be using it for is the pop-up option. So you're going to tap on manage for pop-up, then tap on create new campaign. After tapping on create new campaign, from here we'll be tapping on offer discount coupon. Then after tapping on offer discount coupon, from here you could change the pop-up title if you want. Then you can scroll down and you will see inputs your discount code. So from here you can input your discount code real quick. So we are going to paste it right there since we are offering free shipping. Then from there, if you like to enable a countdown timer, you can also do that by tapping right there, and you can see an example of how it looks right there. After doing that, you could tap on styles, And from there, you could change the style if you want. You could add a background image. You can also change the font style and font color. You can also tap on behavior right here. And for example, if you would like this pop-up to appear once someone is scrolling or when they are about to exit, you could tap on exit intent right there. And if you want to edit any other thing, you can do that. You could also tap on trigger button. So if you like to show the trigger button, you can do that. Once you have finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on save. After you have saved it, as you can see right there, it is now saved. All you'll need to do, you could go back onto your Shopify store, and from there you could preview it. So I'm going to do that real quick. But before doing that, I have to remove another pop-up. So I'm going to tap right here, and I'm going to be removing one pop-up real quick. So I'm going to uninstall this pop-up. Then from here, if I were to go to my Shopify store and then refresh the page, you will see the new pop-up that I have created, as you can see right here with the free shipping option. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.